Miles is starting his first Valentine craft, and he's going to start with the cat. So he put his two large hearts together and the pointy ends facing each other. Now he's putting on his eyes. So Miles put his nose and his mouth on.
Doesn't look like a kitty cat.
It will. Miles wanted his paws underneath. Now he's going to put the tail. You're going to put it underneath or on top? On top. There's the tail. Miles thought that the cat needed another set of paws. So we cut out 2 more little hearts and he's putting on so it has 4 paws.
Because cats usually have 4 paws. Did you
True.
know that? That's a little wood.
The whiskers are going on now. So we pre-glued and then we're sticking the whiskers on the lines that we glued.
Yep.
The last thing Miles is doing now is the ears. So the big pink ear goes first. And then the little one goes inside. Now I had put the ears the other way. Miles decided he wanted them to go this way. So you can decide how you want to put your ears.
Pink.
Ta-da! The cat's done, right? Here it is. We'll let it dry.
Tomorrow